This is a quick debrief on how we're doing annotations while we read Brave New World. The purpose of these annotations is to be able to track a sustained theme over the course of the novel and see how it progresses over time. We'll be able to use these annotations with the quotes to build an argument at the end of our study and write our literary analysis essay. So while you're reading, you're going to recognize where different parts of the novel and different quotes match the topics that we're studying and focusing on. You can find the topics summarized in two different places. First, in the post that says Brave New World Annotation Information, right here. And you can also find them in the Padlet where you summarize them for yourself. Plus, there is a resource from a website called Lit Charts that gives you more detailed information other than the summaries that we've written. So I'm going to use the image of the topics that I've summarized for you, and they're these 5. While you're reading, you're going to notice that you can see dystopia and totalitarianism, technology and control, the cost of happiness, industrialism and consumption, and individuality pop up and develop over time. So while I'm reading, I've set up in my notebook this sort of T chart. When I notice a topic come up, I'll write the topic. So I chose technology and control and the page number. It's important to write the page number because we can go back when we're writing our essay and locate specific pages where the topic pops up, and then also be able to pull this quote and other quotes that we might have missed. So after I've recognized that I see a topic and I've written down the page number where I'm at, I write a note. So I wrote the note, people are sterilized to maintain complete control of human population, resources, and genetics. I added on later, people who are not sterilized are expected to donate mindlessly. I wrote this because I've recognized that there are no families, there are no relationships, and this is how the world state stabilizes the population. So you have some optional sentence starters to also write this one sentence about annotation. Your note should be about one sentence because you'll be able to use that sentence in your writing. These notes have a purpose and they'll translate to your writing. So if you'd like to use sentence starters to get this 1 or 2 sentence annotation started, here are 4 different options. You're not limited to these by any means, but this might be a helpful tool. You can use the key information is, in other words, or this is important because, or this relates to because. These last 2 are helpful for inferencing, which means putting your own opinion on top of the topic and what the text is saying explicitly. These 2 are more comprehension, and they're you restating what the quote is saying or your comprehension of the quote. So after I've written my note and how I think what's happening in the text relates to my topic, I wrote down the exact quote with quotation marks where I found that idea. And so we're going to do this for every chapter. You'll do it either independently, with a partner, or as a whole class. I hope this helped. Thank you. Bye.